So this is like alternative to chin chin. It has no sugar and it's not fried, it's baked. And it feels good. And trying to see if we can do a homemade cheese it. Oh my goodness. Have here cheese. Who are you? Parmesan cheese already in there. Whoo, sweat. Now 500 grams of cheddar cheese or any type of good cheese you like. I just like this because of the color. Okay, you can use any good old cheese, strong cheese of course. Yeah, you're choosing. So I have the same amount of cheddar cheese, 1 stick of butter going with it. So now I'm putting it inside the mixing bowl. Adding paprika, adding 1 teaspoon of paprika in it. For the taste, garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder. We're having cheese it. Scrape down the side because the machine is get all these sides. So now more. See, let's go. Cream, 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 cream. Go, go, go. Perfect. So now put on low because of the flour. We don't want to destroy the whole kitchen with this flour. Put on low until it mixes together real quick. This is not going to take any time at all. This is all-purpose flour and added to it just all-purpose flour. See, done. How easy is that? It's done. Huh? Okay, I see. As you can see, some of them are still dry, so that's fine. I'm going to mix it with my hand now. Make sure everything is incorporated because we want our cheese to be really delicious. Okay, our cheese it is. Homemade, homegrown cheese it. So I see that it needs a little bit of moisture. I'm going to add a little bit of ice. I make a little well, add about a teaspoon of ice water and see how it goes, okay? If I need more, I'll add more. But right now, I just want to see. I don't need more, so you see? That's why you don't add a lot. Just a teaspoon ice water. So this ice, very cold. Because we don't want the cheese or the butter to melt, okay? So all we're doing now is gathering the dough together. Oh my God, this is the dough not beautiful. Look at how orange it is because of the cheese, you know. We didn't put any leavening agent in it. All we put is cheese, butter, a little bit of spices, paprika. And let it rest in the fridge for, like the first dough we did today, I'm gonna leave it for like 1 hour. Preferably overnight. That's even better. Okay, so. Hey, we are out. The thing is out from the freezer. So I'm gonna temper it a little bit. Stop being evil. Don't be a bad dough. We want you to be delicious. So I'm just gonna roll it out a little bit and then we can start portioning it. Okay, cutting out the edge. Edge out. And a little bit, I think it's a bit too high. Just a little bit. So the dough has gone on diet. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's see. Once I'm just going to poke a hole with the fork. If you don't have parchment paper, just spray it with a little bit of, very little bit of oil. That's fine. put up there. I'll add. Okay. So these are good to go. I'm going to put this, then I have an idea. I want to make this into little bubbles, bubblies, round pebbles of Cheez-It. Okay, so you don't have to do it this way, you can do it this way too, just round it up. Round it up. As I said, this is for home, it's for the children to have fun. So I'm going to freeze it. And when I'm about to Cheez-It wannabe, we brought the cheese crackers out from the oven. So I'm going to let it cool down, and then cheese crackers we made into square form. And you know what? I said, let me make it into Chin Chin wannabe. Most people these days don't like fried food, and I don't blame them. We are all trying to lose weight. We're trying to be healthy. So this is like alternative to Chin Chin. It has no sugar, and it's not fried, it's baked. And it's